How to make a GIF for Discord. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. First of all, you want to go ahead and open up any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, go ahead and search for giphy.com. Once you search for it, tap on the first link. And just like so, you'll land in the official page of Giphy. So you want to go ahead and sign in or log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you want to go ahead and simply tap on create. Now inside the creation section, tap on choose file under GIF. And from your PC, go ahead and choose any photo or video. As you can see that I have uploaded a image, but GIF must be in motion, so you need to add a filter if you're gonna upload a image. So go ahead and tap on add filters and add filters according to your likings. And once you're done, tap on continue to upload. And just like so, tap on upload to Giphy. You can even add tags or add URL. Once done, tap on upload to Giphy. And just like so, the uploading has been completed. As you can see, the GIF is right over here. Tap onto it, then tap on copy link. As you can see, the link has been copied. Now after that, you want to go ahead and open a new page and then in the search bar, search for discord.com and just like so, log into your Discord account. Once you're logged into your account, select the person where you would like to send a GIF to. Then in the message section, you want to go ahead and paste the GIF URL. Go ahead and paste it and then press enter. And just like so, you have successfully created a GIF for Discord. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on add to favorites. Now tap on GIF icon. And inside favorites, you'll then be able to find all of your creations. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.